How to sign in Outlook app on Android. So if you want to sign into your Outlook app on your Android, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection and you need to install the application. If you don't have the application, then simply go with your Play Store or your App Store and go with the search and go with Outlook, and here you will have the install option, so simply go and install the application. Once you've installed, tap on open and then open the application. Now tap on add account, or if you don't have an account, then you can create an account. So simply go with sign in or add account, tap on it. And now if you've already added an account previously, then you can simply choose the account and then tap on continue. But if you don't want to log into that account, then go with skip and choose another account. So here you need to enter the email address of the account that you would like to sign in. Or you can also go with the QR code, which is here on the upper right. So tap on scan QR code and then you will be able to sign in with your QR code instead of entering your email or your password. But if you don't want the QR code, then simply tap on add account and then go with your email. Enter your email, tap on continue, and you need to enter your password, or you can simply choose an account. So simply tap on the account that you would like to log in and then continue. Scroll down and tap on allow, and that's it. You've added the account. So go with maybe later, which is here on the bottom left, and then if you want to turn on the notifications, then go with turn on or tap on no thanks. And that's it. You've been logged in or signed into your Outlook app on your Android. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.